online class with my friend, and it was about olive oil from the kitchen to the spa. So I was really excited. You're going to see a clip of some balsamic vinegar that we made, and it was not difficult to make at all.
And put your lid on and shake away, guys. 1 tablespoon of oysters. There we go.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be testing out some of this stuff, especially the oil and the cosmetics part, the spa stuff. I'm going to do a lot of series on the olive oil because I'm really interested and I've been having issues with my skin. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and always have fun with things. Take classes, enjoy life. That's why I thought this was a fun class. It was. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. I'm just Joss'n. Bye.